Yeah, so something I want to talk to y'all about with my son's case and what I've been talking about advocating on here for him and bring awareness to. And a lot of people I don't think know this, and it's part of why I want to build an advocacy. Part is legal aid, because I know a lot of people. I've got a fundraiser up, and yes, this is tort, by the way, law that we're getting into. You can look more into that, and I am going to talk on it because I am going to get into the federal laws in the Title IV and on my state and things like that. We are going to talk on the laws, and I'm going to also read you guys a thing I sent into the complaints. I filed multiple phone complaint, like all this, okay? The thing with legal aid, they do not help, especially with tort law. But even on a basis of family court, like, they were extremely rude. I called 2 different places that does legal aid help, and they literally, like, one didn't even let me explain, hung up on me, and the other pretty much was just like, and I mean, I'm crying, like, I'm in such distress at this point. It's 2023 because I'm so frustrated because I don't know what else to do. I've been trying to navigate this and can't figure out what's going on. I just know that I'm getting ran in circles, lied to, and it's getting covered up. And pretty much, like, wouldn't even let me talk to an attorney that was there. But they do civil law. But your rights get violated and it doesn't matter. So, for those who are suggesting legal aid, please know there is no legal aid for my case and for many like me who have been through these types of things. And that's why in the fundraiser, if you do read it, it says that it's a lot of complexities and legalities that really I have to have an attorney to navigate. And even if you do find a contingency lawyer for tort law, you may still be required to pay. And it can be even up to 20 grand. All that being said, I just kind of wanted anybody who was wondering, well, why doesn't she just get legal aid, and kind of just overlooking us, please don't. Okay? And this is why. And I'm going to let you take a listen to 2 recordings, 2 different times I called legal aid to ask for help. Legal aid? Alright, here's that. Civil litigation.
For what?
Violation of due process rights, filing an appeals to, Chancery Court. They closed out a case without me being present, never notified of it. Actually, the court, or they violated their own court.
You don't do anything on appeal. You would have to do
no, the problem is I don't have the money for an attorney. I'm low income on TANF, and it's also, I mean, you would just have to let me, like, submit the evidence to you that I have to understand it, because I don't really know where it falls.
You don't do that kind of law, man.
I was told on your website it says you guys do civil law.
Different types of civil.
Yeah, a violation of civil rights.
You would have to talk to a private attorney if you wanted to do anything with that.
With a violation of civil rights, but that is civil law.
That has to go to a private attorney. You don't do that kind of law.
What type of civil law then are you talking? Wow. I literally asked what kind of civil law are you talking, because it involves family law as well. And they hung up. Called the other legal aid place. Go to part 2 and I'll play it. It's a little bit longer. It's 2 minutes and 36 seconds. No help. So please don't pass this up, and go to the GoFundMe. You can find Justice for Phoenix, my other page, which I'll tag up there. If you click it and go through the link in my bio, because I don't have 1,000 followers yet to put one, you'll be able to locate it. Our YouTube channel also is at Justice for Phoenix, and the links are there. Thank you.